sharing your perspectives with our viewers. We're going to leave it there and we're going to shift our focus to some more news that's coming in at this point of time, where Maldivian President Mohamed Muizzu has arrived in India for a 4-day state visit aimed at strengthening ties between the two nations amid an economic crisis in the Maldives. The visit comes at a critical time as Muizzu seeks to rebuild relations with India after months of tension. Meanwhile, Muizzu is in fact holding a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Hyderabad House. Earlier, he visited the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where he received a ceremonial welcome. Those are the developments that are trickling in at this point of time. Remember, viewers, the Maldivian President Mohamed Muizzu is in India. These are live visuals flashing right on your screens. This is the meeting that we are referring to, which is now taking place at the Hyderabad House. You can see those visuals on your screens. Remember, he has already met External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, who's again sitting right over there. And now this high-level meeting is being conducted between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Mohamed Muizzu. What is this meeting all about is, of course, the question that's there in the picture, whether there is going to be proper mending of ties or not. But these are the developments that are trickling in. My colleague Mehendi is with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Mehendi, the meeting is currently underway. What are the details that we're getting?
Well, yes, Asavri, big developments are coming because the bilateral talk between Maldives and India has started, because the Maldivian President Mohamed Muizzu is now holding talks with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And during this visit, it is being said that several things may be discussed regarding the economic crisis that Maldives is facing right now. And also, concerns have grown in recent months that cash-strapped Maldives could become the first country to default on Islamic sovereign debt. But sentiment has approved since China and India, which vie for influence in the strategically located archipelago, extended fresh support lines. So basic conversations will be about the financial support that India might extend towards the Maldives and the help that India can support them. And also, already India has extended emergency financial support to the Maldives last month by subscribing to its $50 millions treasury bill at the request of Muizzu's government, days after China agreed to strengthen the trade and investment in the Indian Ocean nation. And also, the financial support from New Delhi to revive an ailing economy is expected to top the agenda in this meeting also, because it has been said that India is finally cognizant of their fiscal situation. These are the words of the Maldivian President Muizzu. He has said that one of their biggest development partners is India, and India is always ready to ease their burden, find better alternatives and solutions to the challenges they face. And also, much of the money the Maldives owes is to China and India, which have extended to $1.37 billion and also $124 billion in loans respectively, according to the World Bank data. And also, the fear that Maldivians and the Maldives president is having right now is that this all economical crisis follows a turbulent few years, because as COVID-19 hampers their financial crisis, so the nation is mainly the tourism industry has also got affected due to that. So right now, Maldives and India relations were not very good because of the campaigning that Maldivian President Muizzu did by saying India out campaign. So after that, there were some tensions between the diplomatic relations. But this meeting that is happening right now, because Muizzu with the First Lady is on a 5-day visit to India, holds very important discussions and also will decide the bilateral relationships between both the countries. Because after coming in power, this will be the first time when Muizzu is traveling India. But earlier in the year, when Prime Minister Modi took his oath for the 3rd time as the Prime Minister, then also Muizzu visited India. But this meeting and this visit is very important in terms of Maldivian as a country, in terms of the financial and the economic crisis they are going through. Yes, Asav.
All right, Mehendi, thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details with our viewers. Meanwhile, there is a press conference, the press briefing, in fact, that's taking place. Arvind Kejriwal